Morning, Honorable Minister, Finance, Honorable Under Secretary, Honorable Governor, Bank Sudan, Deputy Governors, all invited guests, protocol observed. I take this, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to join you in this important event that marks the beginning of a new era in the provision of banking and financial services. As we gather here today, we mark not only the culmination of an important milestone in the South Sudan financial sector, but strong step towards realizing our shared goal, seamless, interconnected financial ecosystem. Our region in medium factor in deepening the ESC integration process and more so the financial system integration. As you may be aware, payment system play a vital role in the soundness of economies, and as such, the safety, efficiency of payment and settlement system are a major concern for central banks around the world. As one of the principal functions, it is to be guarded because of the public confidence in the money. This confidence depends crucially on the ability of economic agent to transmit money and financials. This confidence depends crucially on the ability of economic agents to transmit money and financial instruments smoothly and securely through payment and settlement system. Therefore, efforts should be focused on building financial systems which is stable, resilient, and able to absorb any magnitude of shock, as well adapt to changes and circumstances. So this will be through better governance and risk management cultures that involve management and employees, having collective effort from all stakeholders and market discipline, allowing information sharing on the conditions of liquidity. And this will be achieved through the SIPs, which is being launched today, having ability to anticipate, identify, and measure emerging risks as early as possible and mitigating these risks. And the system which we are going to launch today will be capable of doing all this, and also having capacity to absorb any losses or shocks that can be found in this system. The ability to adapt by adjusting to new realities and be changed, that is the regulatory, economic conditions or new competitors. So this system we are launching today will be able to address all these factors I've mentioned. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to begin by commending the management of Bank of South Sudan for the hard work of the project, the team, technical partners, the consultant, and all staff behind the scene who worked tirelessly, giving their time and energy and expertise to the project. It is worth noting that success of any payment system depends fully on the participation of all relevant stakeholders. And we have seen that all the stakeholders involved in this system, starting from the Ministry of Communication, we've gone to other infrastructure ministries, have all been involved for us to be where we are today. Therefore, it is good that all the relevant stakeholders give their commitment and expertise, and we've been able to reach where we are from the initiation of this project to date. At the heart of this project lies a vision to make the cross-border payments faster, more secure, more efficient for business, government, and individuals across the region. This milestone is laying a groundwork for greater economic inclusion, reducing transaction costs, and enabling the real-time settlement. This is one of what the EAC, the East African Monetary Union, envisages. In Article 15, the EAC will develop, implement, secure, efficient, and reliable integrated payment and settlement system for trading and securities depository. And we expect this to be we are looking forward to having a single monetary union in 2013 with a regional central bank. As you are aware, we already have the ESC payments system, a regional payment and settlement system. And the countries which are already there are the four original countries. And we are happy that now the Bank of South Sudan and Republic of South Sudan will join the IPS payment system that uses the local currency to transfer funds within region. So in that system, we'll also have to include the South Sudanese pounds that will be transacted in the region, the same as the Kenyan shilling, the Uganda shilling, the Rwandese franc, the Burundian franc. So all these currencies are going to be used in the coming system. So I think a lot has been said about the project. We are still with the project and we are going to be interpreting the new phase we are going to will be the security system, which Bank of South Sudan and the Republic of South Sudan is one of the key countries that are going to be targeted. So, with these few remarks, I wish to thank the African Development Bank for the immense support that they have continued to provide the East African community, the regional central banks who have also supported Bank of South Sudan. As we go to this project, we've had many staff coming from the Bank of Tanzania, Bank of Uganda, coming to assist us implement the system. So as a region, we've been supporting one another, and therefore it gives me pleasure that we are able to support each other as we work towards the integration of the region. So with this, I say thank you to the regional central banks for the excellent relations and steadfast support they have extended to the Bank of South Sudan that has led to the successful implementation of the South Sudan regional, the RTGS system. And I take this opportunity to reaffirm the Secretariat commitment to the regional integration agenda and to thank all of you for having made this a reality vision for Republic of South Sudan. Thank you for your attention.